Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Affinity on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now I am going to download Affinity. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Click No Thanks, type here in Google search bar. Download Affinity. Let's click on Download Affinity Photo. Click on first link, affinity.serif.com. Now Affinity website is open. Let's drop down to End. Click on 30-day trial. If you new on this website and download free trial, you must register the account then download trial. I have registered my account. After registering we can download the software. Click on download. Now the downloading is started. It is 649 MB software. Now the downloading is completed. Open this PC. Go to Downloads folder. Here it is our Affinity setup file. Right click on it. Click Open. Let's close Downloads. Click Install Affinity Photo 2. Click Yes. Now the setup completed successfully. Click Close. Here it is Affinity Photo 2 icon, let's double click on it. Now we will activate the license. Click on Activate. 30-day trial available. Click Start 30 days trial. Click Continue. Click I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Accept. Click Yes. Now our Affinity Photo software is open. It is similar like Photoshop. Let's close this document. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install Affinity Photo on Windows 11 and Windows 10.